GPT-4 is coming, and suggest it might bring massive improvements to the already incredibly impressive language skills of OpenAI's ChatGPT. Basically, GPT-4 is a new language model developed by OpenAI that can generate text that is similar to what is spoken by a human being. During the implementation of this project, the technology used by chatgpt, which is based on GPT 3.5, will be enhanced in order to make it more user-friendly and efficient. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which is a deep learning technology that uses artificial neural networks to mimic the writing of a human being. In order for ChatGPT to produce the desired result, billions of parameters are used to adjust the output of the simulated neurons in ChatGPT. A computer can become closer to a human brain, which is also a gigantic network of billions of neurons that are interconnected, as a result of the gigantic amount of detail it contains. As of now, OpenAI has not confirmed any details about GPT-4 except the fact that it is under development. Rumors, however, are plentiful. In August 2021, Wired reported that there were some industry experts who speculated that GPT-4 might have 100 trillion parameters. Although, it should be noted that having more parameters in an AI does not always guarantee improved performance and may potentially impact its responsiveness. Rumors have been circulating that GPT-4, the latest machine learning model, might have the capability to handle multimodal models, which includes generating images, text, and even video from the same chat interface. This could prove to be revolutionary, allowing users to experience a whole new level of engagement from automated conversations. Machine learning expert Emil Wallner lent credence to these rumors when he tweeted that GPT-4 might have this capability, leading to much anticipation about what the model can actually do. GPT 3.5 is capable of processing up to 2048 words. However, it has been speculated that the next two iterations of TV models, which may incrementally be referred to as GPT-4, could have a potential 4 times 8K resolution and 16 times 32K that capacity. This could open the door to much more detailed, expansive conversations that could tackle far greater challenges and tasks. Nevertheless, the reality is that all of this is currently nothing more than conjecture and speculation until the official release of GPT-4 is announced. What we can be certain of is that ChatGPT could be set to benefit from a significant improvement once GPT-4 is released. GPT-4 finally coming to ChatGPT has been circulating since the start of this year. According to an article in the New York Times, the release of GPT-4 could come as soon as the end of the first quarter of 2022 if not sooner. That would mean that people could be using GPT-4 within a matter of weeks, and could bring about a whole new level of automated conversation. Though it is unclear how Microsoft and OpenAI plan to use GPT-4 in the short term, the model is launching to further research and development, which means it may be a while until we witness the model implemented in ChatGPT and Microsoft's Bing Chat. Therefore, it remains to be seen how GPT-4 will be utilized in the near future. While GPT-4 will almost certainly be impressive, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman said in a Strictly VC interview posted by Connie Loizos on YouTube that people are begging to be disappointed, and they will be. Robert Altman recognizes the potentially devastating effects that the advent of artificial general intelligence, AGI, could have on global economies, and he believes that by introducing gradual, small-scale changes over time, it would be easier for the world to adjust and adapt, as opposed to launching one large, abrupt and sudden advancement that could be almost impossible to prepare for. In short, GPT-4 will be an evolution, not a revolution. According to Altman, the next version of ChatGPT won't be an AGI and it won't have 100 trillion parameters. Those rumors are incorrect. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe us for more exploring videos and also press the bell icon.